working at the auto shop. I'm telling you, girls, I about blew my top. He was holding a socket wrench in one hand. I didn't see no tan lines from a wedding band. He asked what kind of service I needed, but I forgot the reason I came to see him. I thought for a moment, but my tongue got stuck. Then I told him this: you can wash my truck. You can wash my truck. You can rotate my tires. You can do anything you damn well please. Just don't catch the damn thing on fire. You can change my oil. You can tune me up. You can turn my rotors. Whatever you do, it's all the same to me. You can gap my plugs. You can change my rings. But when we're done, just remember one thing: you can wash my truck. After he was done, I felt like a new woman. I had a brand new song that I kept humming. I forgot what it was that made me stop by. Then me and that boy drove away in style. You can wash my truck. You can